Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I do clothing subscription unboxings. I'm Deborah and I'm here with Oliver, and I have a new box for me today, Natalie Attired. I decided to go ahead and order one because they're running a special for December where you can get 20% off if you buy 3 or 4 items, or 30% off if you buy all 5. Their box looks really nice. This actually arrived yesterday and it was too dark to film, so I haven't looked to see what's in here. I'm dying to see what it is. There's a peek at my bundle. It looks really nice. Okay, you can have the box. Let's see, here's a note. Hi Deborah, I hope you enjoy your first Natalie Attired collection. I chose a super cute baseball tee, and a modern sweater set, all pieces to go with the black skinnies. Happy New Year, Renee. Okay, and here it looks like an invoice. Total $250, that's not bad, especially if I get the discount. Don't eat my stuff, Oliver. Here's a mailing bag. Shipping is free both ways. And the first item, oh, that is so cute. I love that. I've been leaving notes with Stitch Fix that I want a floral and striped baseball tee. I don't remember. I must have left a note with Natalie Attired too, unless I just got really lucky, but that is cute. It has a little pocket. Okay, it is by, let's see. It's by Laylee. Okay, and this is a little thicker. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at those sleeves. It's got a little gingham red sleeve. That's so unique, and it's like a sweatshirt material. That is really cute. Okay, here is the, what she called modern sweater set. I don't know about this. I guess it's 2 pieces. Let's see. It's a sleeveless shell, and then this little cardigan with the trim. It's navy with white and red trim. And then let's see what we, Liverpool. Okay, they are the ankle skinny Liverpool size 27. Hope they fit. They look good. Okay, well, I will try it all on. Okay, I have on the first 3 items, this little sweater set and the Liverpool black jeans. This, I think the brand is Cielo. The cardigan is $29 and the shell is $24, and it's a size medium, so I'm glad she knew to size me up because I definitely couldn't have taken a small. This is not really my style though. I don't really like it, and I don't think I would wear it. It's black. I called it navy before, but it's definitely black with the white and red trim. So the shell is cute, but I just don't think I would wear it. And the jeans, they're great. They're the Liverpool penny ankle skinny pant for $79 in a size 4. They fit perfectly. They are, I thought they were kind of short, but I think they're just the right length to wear with ankle boots. So these are a possibility. I do have some black jeans from Loft, but they're more like, they're not really denim. They're more like a sateen jegging. So, okay, I'll try on one of the other tops. Okay, I have on the next top, and I really like this. It's so different and so cute. I love gingham. I love red and gray together. It's by THML. It's, the name of it's weird. It's the Bracelet length Peplum sweater. There's no Peplum, I don't know. $69. The only thing I don't like is the price, and it's a size small, but I really like it. So cute. It's got the gingham, and then part of the sleeve is this little stripe. This is like a sweatshirt material, and the sleeve is, I think that's like a cotton poplin. So it is a lot of money though, $69 for a top. So the discount would help, but we'll see. Okay, the last top is by Lee. It's a size small and it's $49. So the price is a little better than the other one. The floral is really cute. I love the combination of the stripe and floral. It fits a little loose, but it's very cute. It's a little longer in the back. So I like this one too. Okay, let's do a recap. First of all, I'm really happy I ordered this box. They did a great job of picking out things that I like. I love everything except the sweater set, and it's not awful, but it's just not something I would wear. So we have this top, $49, really like it, and I'd like to keep it. I just need to decide. I have the Liverpool black skinny pants. They are $79. I really like them too. I'm definitely not keeping the sweater set. It was $24 and $29, but that's gonna go back. And then this, it's just, I love this. It's so cute and so unique. If I only keep one thing, it'll probably be this. But what let's see, it is $69. So $69, $49, and $79. And if I keep all three, I get 20% off. So that might be what I do. I just have to decide if I want to spend that much right now. Okay, so I just have to decide if I'm going to keep just one item or go ahead and keep all three to get that discount. I'd love to hear your opinion. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe below.